The confirmed number of cases of the coronavirus in Los Angeles County today comes to 93,232. The confirmed number of deaths reaches 3,267. Here in Torrance, the total number of confirmed cases is 532, with total confirmed deaths at 50. We anticipate those numbers to increase later today as the county updates its last 24-hour operating period. Welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm Leslie Robbins. It's 4 p.m. on Saturday, June 27th. Thank you for joining us on this last weekend of the month. Coronavirus cases continue to surge throughout the state, and particularly in one county, so much so that California's governor is asking local officials to reimpose stay-at-home orders. Southern California's Imperial County is one of the 15 counties in the state that was flagged for increased monitoring. Imperial County is also home to California's highest per capita rate, with 3,000 cases per 100,000 residents. They've seen a test positivity rate of 23% over the last 2 weeks, drastically higher than California's overall 5.3%. The state counted nearly 5,000 new positive COVID-19 cases just yesterday alone, pushing the state's confirmed case count to more than 200,000. Governor Gavin Newsom returned to more regular briefings over the past week as the state experiences this surge. He shared the number of cases this week alone. Nearly a week ago on Sunday, there were 4,230 new COVID-19 cases. On Monday, it was 5,019, and by Tuesday, the new tally was 7,149. The governor says he is prepared to revert back to more stringent coronavirus restrictions if necessary, as California continues to see a rise in cases. CVS Health is expanding its COVID-19 no-cost testing program. 35 more test sites were added at select CVS pharmacy drive-thrus across the state, including 4 in Los Angeles and Orange counties. The opening of additional test sites adds to the 107 locations previously opened statewide, with 45 of them in Southern California. Now, across the country, 200 additional test sites have opened this week as well, and will be among the more than 1,400 locations CVS Health has opened since May. The company's goal is to have testing capacity of more than 1.5 million tests per month. As some states see the worst in recent coronavirus spikes, the government will begin distribution of the first shipment of the antiviral treatment remdesivir. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, states to receive the treatment drug include California, Arizona, Texas, and Florida. White House Task Force Coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx said during a briefing yesterday they will reallocate to states with increasing cases. California will receive 464 cases of 40 vials each, then Texas, Florida, and Arizona to receive 356 cases. Manufacturer Gilead donated more than 120,000 treatment courses. According to the HHS, doses will ship out beginning Monday, exhausting the full donated amount. Gilead is expected to produce more than 2 million doses by the end of the year. Senior nursing facilities will get another pair of eyes to ensure the most vulnerable members of our community are protected. The Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors appointed Max Huntsman, LA County's Inspector General, who currently oversees the sheriff's and probation departments. The interim Inspector General will oversee the county's skilled nursing homes, which account for more than half of the county's COVID-19 related deaths. Huntsman will be responsible for developing recommendations to help strengthen oversight and improve operations. One of his first tasks will be to provide a proposed scope of work to the board by August 1st. Huntsman will have to report back every 2 months until the final report is complete. He has a 29-year history with the county, previously working in the district attorney's office. Telecommunications giant Verizon is adding to the list of companies launching their own credit card. The Verizon Visa will work like any other credit card, but includes a rewards program featuring Verizon dollars that users can redeem towards their monthly bill payments or Verizon purchases. The card will also be the only card eligible for use on autopay, a feature allowing customers to have their monthly bill payments automatically withdrawn. Other perks with the purchase include earning 4% on gas and groceries, 3% on dining, 2% on Verizon purchases, and 1% on all other spending. The company says the card will not include annual fees and there are no caps on rewards. Verizon joins Apple as they launched the Apple Card last year, and Samsung is reported to launch its Samsung Pay debit card sometime this year. Verizon is also one of the many big companies banding together to put a pause on advertising on the social media platform Facebook. The company has been in the spotlight this week, accused of facilitating the spread of hate. CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced they are working on stricter policies to fight hate speech on the social network. Facebook says they will ban ads that scapegoat minorities, immigrants, racial and other groups as part of a wider crackdown on hate speech. Zuckerberg also says there will be higher standards in advertising and Facebook would be labeling newsworthy content. In a week since a number of organizations called on Facebook advertisers to pause their ad spending during the month of July, more than 90 companies announced their intention to join the effort. Coca-Cola was the latest to announce they will pause paid advertising on all social media platforms globally for at least a month. The company clarified it was not joining the official boycott, but said, quote, "We are pausing advertisement." Dockers and Levi's also announced late yesterday that they would be pausing ads as well. Now, one of the biggest consumer packaged goods giants, Unilever, said it will pause brand advertising on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter in the U.S. through at least the end of the year. As the city of Torrance continues its COVID-19 recovery efforts, the city announced its police department lobby is now open. The lobby hours are from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. every day of the week. Now, in preparation to reopen, social distance signs have been posted along with these blue decals to remind the community to stay at least 6 feet apart. You'll also find 2 hand sanitizer dispensers for the public to use as well. The police department joins a number of other departments that have reopened, including the Permit Center, City Hall, Sierra Golf Course, and the Madrona Marsh, to name a few. Staff are currently working to create more space on the council dais to allow city council members back in the chambers for their weekly meetings. We will be sure to keep you posted on when the council chamber is ready to reopen to the public again. With the 4th of July holiday in just a week, the Torrance Police and Fire Departments are reminding the community that all fireworks are illegal in the city. Officials say it's not only dangerous but unlawful to possess, sell, give, or use any fireworks in the city, even including the ones considered safe and sane. Several incidents of illegal fireworks being set off around Southern California have been reported by various agencies. Any person caught with any type of firework or explosive device could face up to a $1,000 fine, 6 months in jail, or both. While the city of Torrance canceled this year's 4th of July fireworks show out of an abundance of caution and concern for resident safety, Torrance City Cable will broadcast last year's spectacular fireworks show on the channel on July 4th, beginning at 8 p.m., so be sure to tune in. Torrance Police ask the community, if you see something, say something. You can call their non-emergency hotline at 310-328-3456 or call 911 in the event of an emergency. The Torrance Certified Farmers Market was very busy today as thousands stopped by to buy their fresh produce and unique packaged foods. The Torrance Cares Farmers Market curbside pickup also continues to offer an essential service to those with limited mobility or have an underlying health condition. Shoppers who placed orders by noon the day before were able to pick up curbside between 11 a.m. till noon. This month, you'll find watermelon and sweet cantaloupe from Wiser Farms, as well as Tenarelli's Orchards, bringing delicious peaches, apples, nectarines, apricots, and plums. Popular vendor Thai Tiffany is also back with prepared foods. The farmers market takes place every Tuesday and Saturday from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. at Wilson Park. As a reminder, shoppers must wear those face coverings while at the farmers market and must practice social distancing while shopping. Shoppers are also encouraged to leave family members at home, and please send just one person per household. The Torrance Antique Street Fair returns tomorrow. The monthly event is back after a 3-month hiatus due to COVID-19. The Antique Street Fair features more than 100 vendors as they line the streets of Old Torrance and invite the community to shop local. There will be antiques, collectibles, vintage clothes, vinyl, jewelry, home decor, plants, art, and so much more. This is a pet-friendly outing, and admission, along with parking, is free. It takes place tomorrow from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. on Sartori Avenue between Post Avenue and Marcelina Avenue. All those planning to attend will be required to wear that face mask while walking around. As unique graduation events, drive-by diplomas, and social distance goodbyes take place through the month of June, we want to continue celebrating our class of 2020 and your big milestone. Whether it's a preschool promotion or college graduation and every milestone in between, send us your photo and let us know what school you are graduating from. We'll be sure to share it on our show. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. With the majority of Americans having to cancel traditional summer plans due to COVID-19, we want to see how you and your family are making special changes to ensure your summer fun isn't completely ruined and you're still finding ways to fill your summer days. Whether you're planning a camping trip, road trip, or headed to a staycation somewhere, or just camping out in your backyard, send us your trip itinerary, camping checklist, roadmap, or pictures from your special summer plans. We'd love to see how you are making the most of your summer and hopefully inspire others. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Well, before we go at the end of each program, we like to share stories from our community. Feel-good pictures, images, and videos that remind us of how resilient our community is and reflect how Torrance truly cares. There is a special place in Torrance that welcomes your furry pets and gives pet owners peace of mind to leave their furry partners while owners go to work. It's Dogtopia of South Bay, and they're offering the community the chance to fetch it forward and sponsor doggy daycare to support first responders who are working long hours and need help caring for their pets. Dogtopia of South Bay will provide gift certificates to local hospitals for medical staff that need help in this area. One day of daycare is $38 and $58 to spend the night. So far, more than $4,000 has been raised of the $12,000 goal. We love seeing how the community continues to come together to support our local frontline heroes. Now, if you have a great story or have photos or videos you'd like to share or just want to say hello, please email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. That is our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow. We will be broadcasting our show at 4 p.m. on Sunday due to the extended length of this week's City Council meeting. Be sure to tune in as Christine Lee brings you the latest updates. Please be safe, stay healthy, and thank you for tuning in. We will see you next time.